Spring is upon us, and as every year I get the urgent need to change up my plant setup completely. Plants and interior design go hand in hand, and plant styling can make or break the appearance of a room. Hi, I'm Christina from Leafy Luster, and this is my living room. I live in a small 60 square meter apartment with hundreds of plants, and grouping them into different plant corners helps me not only to organize them, but also makes everything less chaotic to the eye. Today I want to transform this specific plant corner behind me. I just need something new, a breath of fresh air, a change. My goals for this project are the following. Number 1, I want to open up the space. Number 2, I want to create better growing conditions for my plants. Number 3, I need a prime spot for my Monstera Deliciosa large form. And number 4, I need to get rid of this e-piano, the shameful reminder of starting a hobby and then not sticking with it. But anyway, let's get right into the makeover. Step 1, deconstruction. First up, we need to remove this light. I don't want to bash it in any way. It's a good light, but it's not the right choice for this specific setup. It's just not strong enough to reach the plants on the bottom, and it's too high up to really help them grow. I will find another use for it though. Successful. Next up, I have to relocate all of these. Bro. Bless you. Next up, I have to relocate all of these lovely plants. For example, this philodendron El Chocoret that is finally giving me some unripped beautiful leaves. I hope it stays that way. A few philodendron splendids that are left over from my moss pole experiment. They're still going on, but I have reached the top of the poles for most of these. I do want to sell those, but it's hard to find people who want plants this tall. A little pink princess that's getting a new leaf, and I think it's going to be pink finally. And of course, my pride and joy, the Phlebodium aureum. Oh, it's so pretty and giant. Now let's deal with the clutter down here. Since the space had no intentional purpose and I wasn't playing piano here, it just accumulated a lot of clutter and mess that I need to clean out. Let's just get into it. This must be the ugliest planter I have ever seen. I got this as a gift like for free, but I don't know. It's almost so ugly that it's funny again. I don't know. And please don't judge me, it's so disgusting under here. I don't clean this area very often. Of course, this piano is not going to waste. I'm going to give this to my little sister, and she will use it much more often than I did, because I did not use it. So I want to clean it up a little bit for her, and then I'm going to deliver it as well. It's kind of sad that I misused such a wonderful instrument for a plant stand. Can you help? Leute brauchen David Content. Genau, also ich habe schon 2 Schrauben unten rausgemacht. Da ist so eine, wenn du guckst, das soll man dann so nur so rausschieben. Das. Ja. Danke, Schatzi. Nicht von dir. Meinst du, das passt ins Auto? Wollen wir den einen Sitz unten mal klappen?
Ja.
Is there anything more satisfying than cleaning a really dirty place? I don't think so. Now that this is all done, I think it's time for step 2. Let's get thrifty. Whenever I look for something, I go to eBay. So some of these plant stands are a little expensive still, but then I found this one. It fits my furniture, I believe, and it is really close near me. So I'm going to check it out. Let's go shopping! Got the goods. This is my find. I love this table. It's very much vintage and retro. It has like gold applications. Look how beautiful and shiny this is! Perfect. With the table done, we're missing one last very important thing. Without this, the whole transformation wouldn't even be possible. So, look what I just got. The most important thing for my transformation is, of course, lighting. So that's where today's sponsor, Soltech, comes in. I did check if my order is complete, but other than that, I haven't unpacked anything. I recently got the opportunity to test out the Soltech grow light for 2 months, and I'm completely sold on it. I placed the pendant light into my anthurium corner, and all of the plants immediately, I mean right then and there, started pushing new leaves, bigger and better than ever before. I decided to get 2 more lights because I want that for all of my plants, especially for my big Monstera. The pendant light comes with the cutest little installation guides and these wall hooks, but you can also find other stylish hanging options on the Soltech website. Both of these lamps are so heavy because of the aluminium body, which is really a sign of quality. I wish you could feel this. If you also live in Europe, don't be afraid, they come with the standard plugs. And for the grow bulb, it comes with a standard E26 to E27 screw, so it fits into any standard light fixture. The cord is made out of fabric, which gives it a nice quality feel. Overall, these products are very well made, and in my humble opinion, Soltech is the creme de la creme of grow lights in terms of optics, but also in strength. Of course, quality isn't cheap. I know that the lights can be quite pricey, but luckily I have a code for 15% off. It's Leafy15. You can head to the link down in the description, check out the website, and if you like anything, use my code to save money. For example, the setup of these 3 lights I'm going to use today, you could save $60 on that order. Isn't that great? So thank you, Soltech, for that. This is the light I was testing for a while now, here up on my anthurium corner. So let's do a little switcheroo, and you'll see the installation is really simple. We are ready to assemble the new plant corner. There she is. By the way, do you remember this pothos? Just look how sad she looks. I don't know. This was a fail. Now, we're going to put it like this. I think it has to go. With a little help from a tall person, aka my fiancé, we managed to screw in the hooks and hang up the lights, and I only struggled a little tiny bit. Perfect. This looks so good. This looks hella classy. Oh, it looks so good. I feel like I live in a, I don't know, IKEA catalog or a museum or just a very fancy place now. This looks so good. I tried to hide the cords behind this beam right here and I think it worked really great. And can I just say the color temperature is perfect. It's a warm white, it's very bright. It is exactly how I like my lights to be. I don't like those icy cold blue ones. Let's rearrange the plants on the new plant stand. Starting with the pink princess. Something small. Ooh, might have to do it like this. Maybe down here. Okay, this fern might look great up here. Philodendron splendid. Another splendid. And the great thing is it also looks good from the back, so I can just have a few little trailing plants that are smaller back here, I think. Also going to add this Syngonium podophyllum. It's such a nice luscious bush. Because I took away the aspect pendant line from back there, I of course want to reinstall another light. I have this old light fixture with a no-name brand LED light. There's already a few LEDs missing because they died, I don't know. So I am going to replace this light with the Grow Light Vita. And I think it's a good compromise if you don't want to spend the money for the big pendant lights, because I know they are expensive. These are a little cheaper, and if you already have any kind of light fixture that fits this screw, you can save a little money. The basic kit comes with those little rubber hooks, so you can just screw it in the wall or the ceiling. I also have a hook in the wall so I can hide the cable a little bit. Perfect. If you don't know how far away you want to put the lamp from your plants, on the Soltech website you can check the height recommendations for different types of plants and for all of the different lights that are available. This helps a lot when choosing the light in the first place and then installing the light as well. And with this, we're done. To have a better comparison by numbers, I'm going to use my light meter to measure the lux or the foot candles. I did this with the old lamp too, so up top we had about 1100 lux, in the middle it was about 500, and at the bottom we were at 200 lux. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is like 18,000 lux up top, middle 8,000, 5,000. On the bottom, we have still, oh, can you see this? Still 2,000 lux. Before I had like 200. Now seeing these numbers, I'm so hopeful that these plants will all do so much better now that they get enough light, because after all, plants need light to grow well, to be healthy. I have experienced this time and time again. If I neglect the lighting and I don't put cuttings or plants in a good spot where they get enough light, they suffer. They will survive, but they won't grow fast or well or be healthy and resistant to pests, etc. I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. It's reveal time. I am incredibly happy with how this turned out. I think it looks gorgeous. The lights look just classy. The
feet of the plant stand fit the feet of my dinner table. The plants look so cute on there. And overall, I feel like the whole apartment looks completely different due to the change.
I hope you can see how beautiful this all came out, and I'm sure I'll be rearranging plants from time to time, but all in all, I'm so pleased. The lights look great, they are strong enough. I'm sure they will do good for my plants, and it's projects like these and arrangements like this or displays that just give my apartment the plant touch and my personal touch, and I just love how it looks. It's something special, it's unique, and I love it. So thanks again to Soltech for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, enjoy your plants and goodbye.